Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So, today I will explain to you about the cranial nerve and spinal nerve. Okay, cranial nerve, we have 12 pairs of cranial nerve originate from the brains, okay, coming from the brains. So, it innervate the head and neck. Innervate means menyalur sarafi. Okay, only the vagus nerve extend into the thoracic and abdominal cavities. Right, cranial nerve are numbered from anterior to posterior in order of emergence from the brain. So dia dinumberkan dinomborkan from anterior dari depan ke belakang. Okay, this is the cranial nerve. Alright, starting from olfactory nerve. Starting from olfactory nerve, optic nerve, oculomotor nerve, trochlear nerve, trigeminal nerve, abduction nerve, facial nerve, vestibulocochlear nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, accessory and hypoglossal nerve. So there are 12 pairs. Okay. Alright, so each cranial nerve has one or two sensory function or motor function. Okay, sensory function means it sends the information to the brain, while motor function is it sends information from the brain to the effector. Okay, you can see here olfactory has the sensory function but no motor function. Okay, some of the cranial nerve has one function but some has both function. For example, trigeminal. Okay, trigeminal nerve has both function, sensory and motor function. Okay, same goes to facial nerve. Facial nerve also has both sensory and motor function. Okay. Alright, so all the names reflect structures serve or function or both. So for example, olfactory nerve, the number one nerve. So why its sensory function? Because it carries impulses for the sense of smell. Okay. Optic nerve, sensory function also, so it carries impulses for the vision. While for facial nerve, it activates the muscles of facial expression and the lacrimal and salivary glands. Okay, ini for example, bila you makan benda yang masam, okay, dia akan bagi mimik muka masam lah. Macam you makan mangga masam and then you macam bagi masam. Okay, so dia ada dua. Satu, dia give the sensory function and then it also give the motor function. You react on the sour tadi tu, yang masam tu. Okay, now we move to the spinal nerve. Okay, spinal nerve ada 31 pairs of spinal nerve. Okay, extend between the skin, our muscles, our visceral organs, glands and also the CNS. Okay, divided into somatic and autonomic. So somatic, action that we can control. Autonomic, we cannot control the action. Okay, so we have 8 cervical, C1 to C8, 12 thoracic, T1 to T12, 5 lumbar, L1 to L5, 5 sacral, S1 to S5 and 1 coccygeal, C01. Kenapa C01? Dia tak bolehlah C1 sebab dah ada C1 dekat cervical. Okay. So spinal nerve emerging from where? One is cervical enlargement. Remember cervical enlargement that innervate our tangan. Okay. Lumbar enlargement innervate our kaki, lower limbs. Okay. Now, each spinal nerve divided into ventral root and dorsal root. Akar di bahagian depan dan akar di bahagian belakang. So for anterior yang di bahagian hadapan, it contain efferent nerve fibers. Okay, maksudnya dia contain motor function yang dapat maklumat from the brain, okay, to the effector. While For dorsal root, okay, dorsal root yang di bahagian belakang, it contain afferent nerve fibers. Okay, sensory information, sensory function. Okay, you kena ingat ni, jangan terbalik. Right, branches of each spinal nerve include dorsal and ventral rami. Okay, rami ni dia macam satu jaringan network, a communicantors in the thoracic region. Alright, this is the cervical enlargement that serve our upper limb, and this is the lumbar enlargement that serve our lower limb. Okay, this is the cervical nerve C1 to C8. Okay, thoracic nerve T1 to T12, lumbar nerve L1 to L5, sacral nerve S1 to S5, and the last one is coccygeal nerve C01. Okay, dorsal rami. Okay, rami tu maksudnya nerve yang banyak-banyak tu. Okay, network of nerve, jaringan network yang banyak. Bahagian belakang dorsal serve the muscles and skin of the posterior body trunk. Okay, dia menyarafi bahagian badan belakang. While for ventral rami, okay, except T2 to T12 nerve, arranged to form networks of nerve called plexuses. Ni kena ingat pula, tambahan yang baru adalah plexuses comes from the ventral rami. Okay, ini dia serve our limbs. Okay, so we have cervical plexus, brachial plexus, lumbar plexus, sacral plexus and coccygeal plexus. Sama tak dengan nerve spinal tadi? Ada yang sama, ada yang tak sama. Apa yang tak sama? Nerve tadi tak ada brachial. Dia digantikan dengan thoracic. Nerve ada thoracic, tapi dekat plexus tak ada thoracic, dia ganti dengan brachial. Yang lain sama sahaja. Okay, so each plexus ni dia ada function untuk saraf ke bahagian tertentu. For example, cervical plexus here innervates the diaphragma, our neck and shoulder. Brachial plexus serve our shoulder, thorax, bahagian dada and upper limb. Lumbar plexus innervates our abdominal, okay, our abdomen ni, buttocks, hip, posterior thigh and leg, kaki di bahagian belakang. And sacral plexus serve the posterior muscles and skins of the lower limb. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.